name is Doug with Walking Off the Crazy. My trail name is Mr. Farnsworth. I will be going on the AT in February of 2022, and just received an inner tent for my Lanshan 2, and it's the 3 season. So previously when I ordered my Lanshan 2 Flames Creed tent, it had a 4 season, so I wanted to add this. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So as you can see here, I have the tent with the 4 season inner insert. So I found when I was out in April, it was fairly cold. It was freezing at night, and we had there was a lot of condensation in the tent. So I had to get that 3 season with the mesh. It's a lighter see-through mesh. Obviously, you can't even see through this. So it really is. Like what I found is that there was a lot of condensation, and it was just dripping down at night. So I figured when I'm on the AT in February that I should remove this and put that 3 season in. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to have to remove it at all the attachment points. Toggles, and so I'm going to just remove them like so. Okay, and one more. There's actually quite a few attachment points. So that's the outer tent, and this is the 4 season inner tent. And you can see that it's not very porous. Okay, it really does collect the condensation. So there we have it. Finally, I got the outer shell set up, and now what I'll do is I'll put the inner tent. I'll hook it up to the various clasps inside. So we'll get in here and we'll set this up on the arch of the tent. There we go. This doesn't help that you're 6'3" and you're trying to do this, so it's kind of harder when you got the height. Okay, so we got the apex of the tent all clipped in. You can see here, we got it clipped in there and got it clipped in here. And also there's a clip here and a clip on all 4 corners. Okay, so we've got the inner tent inside. It's all clipped in at all the attachment points. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 attachment points throughout. Okay, and then you're going to take the corners here and you're going to attach them to these guideposts. The ones that it came with are not elastic, and the other ones that I have on my 4 season are actually elastic. So I think I'm going to take these off, see how Yeah, they're very expandable. So, and I like that they got a tensioner on there too. So I'm going to take those off and use those. So I got this shock cord. I got this from Amazon or bungee cord. So I'll cut that to length and I'll just kind of burn off the edges so they don't fray. And that should be good for the four corners of the tent. So just burn the end there and make sure that it's not going to fray. So there we have the kind of the finished product. I've taken the shock cord and I've attached it. I've taken these off because they were useless. And in terms of just some modifications, I put this round donut on here to kind of give it that flexibility of you know, placing your rope or your drawstring anywhere. And then I bought these on eBay as well, so that's another modification as well. I thought it was better that this be attached with shock cord, and you can just kind of lift it off and then you can gain access to your tent that way. Before, they used to have another cord that used to come to this point as well. So I just didn't like that. Go inside. It's a lot better in terms of, you know, it being more, not as claustrophobic in here. And there's a pocket down at the end. With the original Four Season insert that I had, there was also a pocket on this end. That's it. It seems to be a pretty good choice, especially for the 3 seasons I'll be going out on the AT. There will be some fairly bad weather out there for sure. So that's it for setting up this 3 season insert. And I bought it on actually AliExpress. It was $70 Canadian, so that would probably be about anywhere from $45 to $50 US. So I think that'll this insert will help with the condensation for sure. I think it'll be ideal for a February start on the Appalachian Trail. Thank you for visiting Walking Off the Crazy, and we'll see you out on the trail eventually in February. And thank you for coming to the channel. Subscribe and ring that notification bell. Thank you.